Hi all, welcome back to Crystal DIY. So a lot of us are using our skincare products without us using scrub, and today I want to tell you what scrub is all about. Scrub helps to remove dead skin from your body so that your soap and your cream can work perfectly well. So it's good for you to include sugar, to include a scrub to your skincare routine. Yes, so in today's episode I'll be teaching you how to make your body scrub and it will come out fine. Yes, you will inculcate it. For some of you that is into skincare, you can also add scrub to things you sell. It's part of business. You can make this body scrub for business. For some of you that is into skincare production, yes, scrub is one of the product that you prescribe to your client to buy, to use before using any of your products in order for it to work perfectly well. So we are doing sugar scrub. This is sugar. I'll be leaving the grams that you use at the screen of this video. So the work of this sugar is, for this sugar are natural exfoliants. They help to remove dead skin cells from the surface, leaving your skin smoother and brighter. It also helps for hydration. Sugar is a natural humectant, meaning that it draws moisture into the skin. This helps to keep the skin hydrated even after exfoliation, and is also gentle to the skin compared to salt scrub. You know, we have salt scrub and also sugar scrub and other. We also have hibiscus scrub. Are you aware? So this one I'm doing is one of my favorites. So for the lemon is one of the ingredients we are using for this production. You can use 5 ml to 10 ml of lemon. Yes, lemon brightens. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which help lighten dark spots, acne scars, and pigmentation. So it lightens, it brightens, and it's also acts as an antibacterial, which can help to fight acne causing bacteria. And note, why making your scrub with lemon can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, so it's best to use lemon scrub at night or follow with sunscreen during the day. If you must use lemon scrub, any scrub that you know that has a lemon in it, you must use sunscreen, or you use it best used at night because of the properties of lemon in it. Yes, after the lemon, the next ingredients we are going to add here would be turmeric. Turmeric helps to brighten the skin. It also helps in antibacterial. It can kill acne causing bacteria and prevents future breakouts. It also acts as antioxidants, and which will help to protect your skin from damage caused by radical and environmental issues. And also it's very gentle to the skin. So another one we are going to add now is honey. Is another ingredient we are going to add. Honey is a moisturizing, is a natural humectant, attracting moisture and locking it into the skin. Is also soothing. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help to calm irritated or sensitive skin. What of antibacterial checks? Just like lemon, honey helps to fight bacteria, making it great for acne prone skin. Also help in healing. And after that, we are going to get our spatula and turn everything properly. We want to mix it properly. So if you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like this video, and also share this video to people that might need it. It's a way of encouraging me to do more videos for you. You are telling me indirectly that what I am bringing to you is of value by subscribing. Subscribing is free and liking is also free. You don't get to pay for it. Yes, and also we are running a training on skincare formulation, bathing soap, laundry soap formulation. If you want to make laundry soap as a professional, to start as a business, you can register with us. This is me adding our essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice, just anyone that has a very good perfume. The reason why I love using essential oils is because it has this beautiful perfume. So while using this scrub, it will be smelling heavenly, very beautiful smell and nice aroma. That is why I love using it. You can as well, if you want, you can add perfume to it, but I don't advise that. I don't usually add perfume to my skin, to my scrub. Then I want to add body wash. If you have any body wash, this is optional, totally optional, but me, I love adding body wash for it to for the scrub to have a little bit of foaming in it. That is why I normally put that is why I normally add body wash. If you have body wash, you can as well put, but if you don't have, this ones that we added is enough. You can package it either for sale or for use, or yes, for sale or for use. You know, this channel is either you make to save money or you make to sell to save money, or you sell to make money. Yes, so at this junction, I want to thank you for subscribing, and our scrub is ready. You can package it at this point. You can decide to stir it more. Bye.